All right. You ready, Emma? You want to eat some cake? Here you go.
Like, oh, yeah.
Whoops!
Where'd your cake go? Where is it? Oh, there it is. You gonna get it? Here, you want to see this side of it? It doesn't look quite so pink there. Hand me a fork. Okay, you ready, Emma? You want to try a bite?
Look how much fun we're having, Emma. This is great. Yum cake. Thank you, Molly, for the cake.
Talk to Mom now or later.
Yeah.